The very first step to achieving a flawless finish is to start with Le Prairie Skin Caviar skincare products. We are going to look at Caviar Matte for a medium to high coverage, and it is for anyone who would like to achieve a velvety cashmere finish to the skin that is also the perfect flawless matte. The extract of skin caviar firming complex can be used as a primer before the products, and it preps the skin to create a flawless base. So once there's a very even coverage on the entire skin, I'm going to apply the concealer from the Skin Caviar Concealer Foundation. Apply the Skin Caviar Powder Foundation with the brush that's been specifically designed to apply the product. My top tip is to use your wrist to create the motion so that actually the brush does the work itself. So I'm just turning the wrist really slightly. For more coverage, feel free to apply a second round or excess powder if needed. One can also sculpt and contour the face with the brush using different powder foundation shades. And there we have a perfect matte finish.